Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to revolutionize how you integrate AI into your applications? Say goodbye to long development hours and complicated coding. Meet Eachlabs, your new go-to platform for building AI-powered apps in record time. Eachlabs is a game-changing visual backend builder that allows you to access over 100 AI models and integrate AI workflows into your applications without any coding. Yes, you heard that right. No coding required. It's perfect for developers, IT security agencies, and solopreneurs who want to leverage the power of AI effortlessly. Let's dive into some of the incredible features that Eachlabs offers. Integrate 100+ ready-to-use AI models across text, vision, voice, and video. Build and scale mobile or web products quickly using simple drag-and-drop workflows. Compare multiple AI models at once and integrate them with custom SDKs. Getting started with Eachlabs is a breeze. You can jumpstart your app with over 50 AI workflow templates for different use cases. Whether you want to use a template or build one from scratch, the Visual Workflow Builder makes it easy and intuitive. One of the standout features of Eachlabs is the ability to compare multiple AI models at once. You can run the same prompt on up to 10 AI models to perform tests in minutes. Compare response time, cost, and output quality to find the best performance for your needs, all within seconds. Eachlabs offers seamless integration with client SDKs, allowing you to integrate your AI workflows effortlessly. Whether you're using Node.js, Python, Golang, or HTTP, you can copy-paste the provided code and get started right away. Plus, there's readily available documentation to help you if you ever get stuck. With over 100 AI models, a visual backend builder, and the ability to compare outputs, Eachlabs is packed with everything you need to integrate AI into your apps. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to build AI-powered apps in record time. Get lifetime access to Eachlabs today and unlock the future of AI integration for your applications. Click the link in the description to learn more and get started. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates and tutorials. See you in the next video.